Small parenting wins the search to day 44 of my 90 days challenge. Hi everybody! As a mom of 7, I've learned that that parenting isn't just about the big milestone. It's about little moments that show our children are growing in the character. Recently, one of my children showed kindness without asking permission. It was a simple moment, but remind me that our daily love, guidance, and patience really do make a difference. Sometimes we wonder if our children are listening, then out of nowhere, they show compassion, respect, or generosity, and we realize those small lessons have been taking root along. So if you're a parent who's feeling tired, discouraged today, keep going. Your effort matter more than you know. I'd love to hear from you. What's one recent parenting win you've experienced? Share it in the comments so we can celebrate together. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continue our children with kindness, heart, and right news character. Amin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.